A population of a colony of alpacas being bred by a farmer is modelled by n equals 50 plus 45t, take 7t squared plus t cubed over 3, where t is the time in years. We want to find the number of alpacas at t is 3 and t equals 9, so that's just a case of substituting these values into the formula. So that's going to be 50, add 45 times 3, take away 7 times 3 squared, add 3 cubed over 3, so let's use the fraction template for that. So that's going to be 3 to the power 3, and we need that on the bottom, so 3, and that gives us 131. So t equals 3, n equals 131, and then we can just go through and edit this and put a 9 in everywhere where there was a 3 just now. So let's put the 9 in there, and there needs to be a 9 there, and that also is 131. So when t is 9, n is 131. In part B, we want to find an expression for the instantaneous population growth. So that means that what we want is dn dt. So the 50 disappears, we end up with 45. Take away 14t, add 3t squared over 3, which is just t squared. Then we want to find the instantaneous population growth when t is 3 and t is 9. So that's just a case of substituting 3 and 9 into this formula, because we want the instantaneous population growth, dn dt. So dn dt in this case was equal to 12, and dn dt in this case is 0. Interpret your answers to this part. So t equals 3, we have an increasing population. I think you need to write more than just the word, but the population is increasing would do. And at t equals 9, we can see it's stationary, so it's neither increasing nor decreasing. Find the average population growth for t between 3 and 9 showing working. Well, we know when t was 3 it was 131, when t is 9 it's 131, and divide that by 6 and that's going to give you 0. So the average population growth for this period is 0, and interpret your answer to this part. So interpret the answer to C part 2. So that's this being 0. So we can say that over the entire period, the population has neither increased nor decreased. However, we know from here that it has had periods of increase and decrease over the time. So you should mention that as well